As Alvaro Bautista is comfortably sitting at the top of the 2022 World Superbike Championship, Ducati is doing everything they can to keep that dominance, and they have already released their weapon for the next year's World Superbike Championship, the 2023 Ducati Panigale V4R. Visually, the 2023 Panigale V4R is not that different from last year's motorcycle, except for the exhaust system, which now exits under the subframe rather than under the swing arm. The winglets are a bit more compact than before, but Ducati claims that it has not compromised on performance. Ducati also made some subtle changes to the lower fairing panel for better heat extraction. The fuel tank capacity has increased from 16 to 17 liters. Also, the tank has a slightly different profile to help the rider to support themselves under hard braking. Since the last year's peak power figure of 231 brake horsepower wasn't good enough for Ducati, they have made some significant improvements to the 998cc V4 engine. The engine now produces 237 brake horsepower, which is up by 6.4 brake horsepower from last year's motorcycle. According to Ducati, this hike in peak power is achieved by a new oil developed in partnership with the Shell, which is set to reduce the mechanical friction by 10% and boost the power as much as 4.4 brake horsepower at the rev limiter. To optimize the flow of the oil, Ducati have added a set of titanium crown rods which features 1.6mm holes along the length of the rod. According to Ducati, this new oil passage from head to the base helps the oil to flow more effectively and helps in terms of reliability when you are wringing its neck. Ducati have also incorporated a set of lighter pistons which combined saves around 20 grams of weight. That doesn't sound much, but according to Ducati, this helps to reduce the inertia and boost reliability. These pistons also have diamond-like coating treatment used in MotoGP bike to reduce friction, and Ducati claims that this is the first road-legal motorcycle to feature such technology. A new 800 grams lighter dry clutch now connects the flywheel to the gearbox, which now features a lengthened first, second and sixth gear. To make use of all that power, Ducati also tweaked the suspension. The new Panigale V4R is now suspended by Ohlin's NPX 25/30 pressurized forks with 5mm more travel at the front and a fully adjustable Ohlin's TTX 36 shock absorber at the rear. The V4R also features a set of magnesium rims which saves around 0.7 kg in unsprung mass over the previous bike's forged rims. In electronics department, the new Panigale V4R now features a new engine braking control system called Evo 2. This system allows you to select 3 engine braking levels on each gear. The V4R also gets 4 power modes: full, high, medium and low. In the full power mode, you can make use of all the 237 horses that you have at your disposal, while in the low power mode, which has been designed for roads and low grip conditions, the power goes all the way down to 157 brake horsepower. With this new machine, Ducati is hoping to maintain their dominance on tracks in the coming years.